Let's learn about motion paths in Figma Motion. When you add position keyframes to an object, that movement is displayed as a motion path on the canvas. Motion paths are made up of dots, which indicate an animation's speed, also known as easing, and boxes, which mark the position of each keyframe. To view an object's motion path, select it on the canvas or in the layer section of the timeline. Motion paths are not set in stone and can be altered as needed. Reposition keyframes by clicking and dragging them on the canvas, or create more natural movement by holding the modifier key and using the handle to add smooth curves to the path. Keyframe position is only half of the motion equation. An animation's easing also influences how it moves. Evenly spaced dots along the motion path indicate steady, linear movement. The wider the gaps get, the faster your animation moves. To change the easing, click the line between two keyframes, then select a default curve from the menu, or create a custom one.